Today let's see how to create a cone using solid edge. The task is to create a cone of 50 mm height with a base of 30 mm. We have to select the option of revolved protrusion. Then we have to select the front plane. Select the line command and draw a line of 30 mm length from the origin. Now from the origin, draw a line of length 50 mm. Join the two open ends to create a right angled triangle. Now select the axis of revolution command and select the side resting on y axis. Now click on return and enter the angle as 360 and click on finish. Now we have a cone of height 50 mm with a base dia of 30 mm. Here are the different views of the cone. In order to print this using a 3D printer, we have to save this file in STL format. Click here if you want to learn about slicing this model using Creality software or watch one of our other videos. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.